What a view. I'm currently standing in 157, the Sky Mansion. I'm on the 53rd floor, and I'm gonna show you a 5-bed, 5.5 bath masterpiece wrapped in glass with a multi-million-dollar renovation. Right here, you can see the Essex House sign. We clear the sign, so you don't just see Central Park, you own the view. This wave-inspired bar was made to mirror the Mark Hotel. We have eucalyptus wood, and it's designed to make entertaining feel cinematic. And this grand salon features a dining area that is perfect for dinner parties in the sky. And in the custom primary suite, we are suspended perfectly above the park. We have south-facing views and also west-facing, framing the sunset perfectly. We also feature a hydraulic television for entertaining even when you're in bed, a beautiful workspace right here, and a custom-built closet that is insane.
Standing in the breakfast room, it adjoins the kitchen. And it's not just a kitchen, it's a command center. We have double islands and double everything. Custom walnut cabinetry, wine cooler, you name it, popular sheet. And this is where I would do all of my cooking. And now we're standing in the media room, which features custom cabinetry throughout the custom built-ins, as well as the most epic views of Central Park.